students, this is Mr. Doc. Families, hello, how are you? I just want to quick show you all our resource for homework, and we'll be doing this in class from time to time, khanacademy.org. There'll be a letter on the portal and information, more details, but just a little quick intro. And we're also learning how to use this in class, but I just want to include everybody. The first thing you really want to do to access it is open up a browser. It could be on your iPad, it could be laptop, desktop, any computer with an internet, and go to khanacademy.org. I do want to mention, for now, please don't download the app, or if you do download the app, don't use it for the assignments, because right now the app does not let us upload assignments, and that's how I will send you homework, is through the internet browser, khanacademy.org, not the app store. So once you're at the website, you want to click up here in the right-hand corner where it says log in. Now I made a sample student account that I'm going to use to log in here as well, so you can see how it works. Students should have their passwords by now, as well as their usernames. I do want to make a note, please don't click any of these buttons up here, logging with Google or Facebook, or even your AIS West email. That might get you in, but it won't give you access to the class that I set up for our specific grade, our topic, our class. Also, the username I gave you with the password, when you do work using that information only, that's the only way I can see the work you're doing from my teacher account. So please use that only. You click log in, and it'll get you to a page. Okay, a couple things you'll notice. Up here in the top right-hand corner, you'll notice your username as well as a number of notifications that I might have sent you or that Khan might notify you of. We'll get to that in a second. In addition, down below, you'll see assignments I sent you for the upcoming week. Now, our homework for our math class this year in 6th grade will be weekly and due every Tuesday. So it'll start on a Tuesday and end on a Tuesday, and you're expected to do 30 minutes a night, 5 days during those 7 nights. So you can choose the weekend to take off or any 2 days that might be more convenient. Maybe you have a birthday in the middle of the week. Whatever it is, I'm asking for 30 minutes a night minimum, 5 days of that 7-day cycle, and I'll enter the grades every Tuesday based on not the amount of questions you do, but the amount of time you spend on the website, which again is 30 minutes a night. And you'll see assignments I've sent you with the due date corresponding to the following Tuesday. You can click start on any of them, whichever sequence you want to go with. I think I've sent you 9 assignments for this particular one. And you want to start answering the questions. So which equation shows 9 as a factor of 72? Okay. Factor has to do with multiplication, so we choose that, and so on. I do want to show you something. As you go to the next question, which equation shows that 3 is a factor of 6, and these first couple assignments will be end of the year 5th grade refreshers to get us ready for 6th grade content. But maybe you forgot what this might be, and you might need a little help. That's fine. You could look down here. Every question has an option to watch a video or use a hint. If you click that, you'll see that a couple videos, usually anywhere between a couple minutes and less than 10 minutes, will help you with the specific topic of the question. So you can watch those and you might still be stuck, or you can start here on the right side where it says get a hint, click on that, and it'll start to give you a hint one at a time. Usually the hints will be 1, 2, 3, or sometimes 4 hints. So here it has some steps that'll help you out. Maybe you're still having a hard time. Get another hint, and that's fine, okay? And it actually starts to show us the correct answer with the more hints we get, and then we can go on. Now you'll see there's 7 questions here. We can hit the next question. Say we get stumped and we get the wrong answer. Okay, let's check. It'll tell us that we're wrong, that it's not quite right. We can get help, or maybe it's something we want to practice with your teacher, with me. Skip it for now. Okay, so you have those 2 options. You can watch videos, okay, and you want to continue to answer the questions. I do want to show you that, oops, I wasn't even thinking about that one. So see, there's another example of choose all that apply. I forgot that part. Where's it at? Choose all that apply. So we have a couple true statements here, and I want to show you what happens when you get to the end of the 7 questions, if there's 7 there, and what's expected next, okay? Which of the following statements are also true? Choose all that apply. 42 is a multiple of 7, 42 is not a factor of 7, 6 is a factor, and so on. Okay, and we'll go to, I think that question was the same as the last one, I'm not too sure though. Which equation shows that 6 is a factor of 18? Factor, again, is going to have to do with multiplication. Okay, now this last question we'll answer, and I want to show you one last thing. What's a true statement here? Okay, and 9 is definitely a factor of 36, and we can move on. Now you can click Show Summary. Okay, now I do want to show you this. You can practice again. I don't want you to do that quite yet until you get through all the assignments that you're assigned for the week for homework. So to see the rest of them, you want to click up here in the top right, and you'll see some notifications. And you can scroll down, and any assignment I sent you will be there. You'll see other rewards and different badges you earned, but the assignments you want to pay attention to, and you want to click whichever one you want to do next within the week of homework, and you'll see it pop right up again. And actually, you can see the rest of my assignments start to pop up as well. So same deal, you want to start with any of the assignments. Here, I already actually started this one, so I'm on question 3, and get through those 7. I do want to show you that as you finish the assignments, maybe you finish on 3 or 4 days, and you still have, I still want 30 minutes of homework each night. What I would like you to do, and let me just remember how to find this, you want to click on Subjects in the left corner. We're in 6th grade, okay, under Math. And then after that, let's give it a second, your mission. So you can keep practicing those topics, especially maybe if you need a refresher. Remember, it had a practice button under each of the assignments, or click here under mission. Okay, and you have a 6th grade mission, which just has a bunch of random questions for 6th grade content for the year. I would wait a little bit for this as we start learning 6th grade material. We're just starting to roll it out. But if you have an idea of how to do these kind of problems, you can go ahead and get started. Again, as long as you get the 30 minutes a night. And again, the videos, if you're watching a 9-minute video and the whole 9 minutes is really helpful for you, I see that.
We're going to talk a little bit about order.
Let me pause that. I see that in my teacher report that you spent 9 minutes watching a video. And that actually goes towards your homework because you're learning. And I really value that for you as a student. There'll be other details going over in class, something uploaded to the portal, and so on. But for now, that's just a quick intro into how to use the site. Please, if you have any questions, you can always contact me. My email is on the portal, it's on the syllabus. And I will see you all in class, and be in touch, please. Take care.